Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome to this new episode. Now this is not going to be a typical tech review, but from the thumbnail you already guessed what I'm going to showcase in this video. It's all about production of your smartphone, and it is about a case, a specific brand that make military grade cases for the unknown Chinese devices and also the known iPhone, Samsung devices. I'm using the Redmi K20 and the OnePlus 60 as my daily drivers. Now both of the smartphones come with a glass back panel. They are protected with the Gorilla Glass protection. Now the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro also comes with this type of variant which is called the Ice Blue and Fiery Red, which look absolutely gorgeous. So today we got two of the cases for the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro. I have already unboxed it, so let's just see it what we are getting here. Now this is from a brand you already known, the Ringke, and they're making amazing cases, and these are military grade drop protection certified, and these are made in Korea. This is also available on Amazon and their official website. So I'm dropping all the links. If you are interested to get one for your Samsung devices or the OnePlus devices, you can go for it. So let's just begin the test and let's see how these cases will protect the Redmi K20 from getting scratches, and is it really survive from the drop test. If you guys never heard about Ringke, they are making amazing military grade drop protection certified cases for your smartphone. Here they just sent us two of the cases for the Xiaomi Mi 9T, which also works with the Redmi K20 or the K20 Pro. Available in 3 different colors and 3 different choices. Now these are military grade drop protection certified cases, so you don't need to worry about the protection of your smartphone even if it comes with a Gorilla Glass protection or not. Now you can pick one of these cases for just rupees 1099 on Amazon for Xiaomi Mi 9T as well as for other Samsung or OnePlus devices. So do check out the purchasing links in the description box and get one for yourself. Along with the cases there you get an instruction guide how to apply the case easily on your smartphone. Here we have the black bumper case and a blue one matching to the theme of Xiaomi's Mi 9T's Carbon Black Edition and the Icy Blue Edition. There is another red bumper available for the Fiery Red edition of the Xiaomi Mi 9T or the Redmi K20 series. Xiaomi also include a good quality hard case in the box with the Mi 9T or the Redmi K20, but compared to the Ringke Fusion case, it's not only flimsy and covering up the amazing mystic colors of the Mi 9T, but also not able to protect your smartphone from accidental damages. While the Ringke Fusion X cases not only drop certified, but also they comes with the scratch proof transparent back which holds up the style statement of your smartphone. However, the thickness of the Ringke Fusion X cases make the phone bulky and heavy, but it definitely provides much better protection to your smartphone compared to other cheap cases available across other websites, as it comes with the military STD 810G 5.6.6 military grade drop protection, which already survived professional drop test from 4 feet height, about 26 drop on the same impact surface. Now after applying the case on the Mi 9T, you can clearly see that it easily picks up fingerprints and the dust particles on the transparent back. However, the good thing about the Ringke Fusion X case is that transparent back here is scratch proof, so you don't need to worry about moist hands and outdoor uses. It still maintains the mystic pattern on the Xiaomi Mi 9T and give it a premium style statement along with the protection. The buttons are tactile and come with a unique pattern to easily identify the power button as well. Also, the pop-up camera works fine, and because of the bumper case, now it's more safe from accidental drops, as well as the triple cameras on the back, and because of the raised lip around the front, the gorgeous notchless AMOLED display also protected from drops. I tried my best to show you the truth of the Ringke Fusion cases, and yes, the claim is true. It survived from drop test and there is not a single dent or scratch on the Mi 9T. So now if you'd like to pick one for your iPhone, Samsung Galaxies or the OnePlus 7 series, then check out the purchasing links in the description box. Also to check out our website and follow me on Instagram for more amazing tech updates. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.